Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will tell you how to make an interesting game using Scratch version 3.0. So let's start. First of all, let me show you the review of the game. So here it's the timer. I set it 40 seconds. The score in this game, I just need to let's say catch Griffin by just clicking on it. So let's start. Wait, let me show you the full screen so that you can understand it clearly. So let's start. So you just and you will get 10 points for one Griffin. 2 points. 20 points, sorry. The third one is so see I scored 70 in the time of 40 seconds. So here you can also see the code that I used. Let me show you the codes that I basically used for. So are you all guys ready to make it? So let's start. First of all, we require a background. So let me choose a better option for you. Let's make something different. We will choose a wetland. So first we want to delete this. First we will delete this sprite. Then we will add our own slide, which is Griffin. So let me search here. You can have any of the animal. So let me shorten size to 60. 60 is an ideal size, but you can have 55 also. It's also looking perfect. So let's start coding. So first we'll click when the flag is clicked. First let's give it a flying what say flying costume. We'll use in here a forever tag from the looks. I give it new costume and yes and wait for 0.2 seconds or let's have 0.3 second. So see here you can see. So let's go to costume first and delete this because it's not required while flying. So now we're pressing the flag button. You can see it's looking like it's really flying. So let's move forward. Flag is we here first we want to make few new variables such as speed, timer, score. Okay, so now let's add the speed. Now let's give the Griffin some speed. So yes, I have. Let me maximize. So I have placed and when flag is clicked. Now we have made three of them. So we will use the speed variable and set the speed to 5. Okay, now we will use an forever tag. Yes, forever tag to make it move. We'll choose move 10 steps and replace 10 with the speed. So here we will again repeat it with speed. So moving forward, yes, we want it to look in the same direction always. So we will make it set rotation style left to right. It's must, otherwise your Griffin will fly facing up, down, side, anyway. Yes, if on edge, bounce back. So now let's see. So you can see it's moving. So now we will let it hide and make it hide, not let it hide, make it hide and show. So I again use this. Let me make it. So now I will use an forever tag again and make it hide first. Hide. Now I want to make it wait for random 2 to 3 seconds. So I will choose from operation, pick random 2 to 3 because we don't want it to be hide for more than 3 seconds. So now yes, after 3 seconds we want to make it visible. So we will use show. So using show again we will use a wait, then again pick random, but here we will type against 2 to one, not 1 2, 2 to 4. Now it's done. So let's see. So you can see it will be visible. You can see it's visible here. So now moving forward to what shade? Yes, time. Let's give it a timer. So when the flag is clicked, we'll set timer to let's give 30 seconds. Now yes, we want score also, so we will set score also to 0. So yes, now moving forward, we will use repeat until tag. Here it is, and we will repeat the function till the time is 0. I think these all steps are clear to you. I'm just using simple simple blocks, not any complicated. Now I want to wait it 1 second so that I can change the time. change time by -1 second. Okay, and yes, after the time will be over, I want all of them to stop. So let's view it. Oh, so sorry, it's not much. It's not the same. So now let's move it. So yes, you can see. So you can see it's moving here. So let us give one more command that go to random position. So let's see now. So you can see that it's here. So yes, it's better that we will. So let's see it here. Let's see it here. So you can see it here. So let me. So yes, you can see that it will go everywhere it wants. So now moving forward, we have set a timer. We have set its speed. So now it's the turn to what should I? Yes, it's score. So yes, again we will have when flag is clicked. No, 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 not the flag actually, because we want to yes earn a score. No. So when this sprite is clicked, means when I click Griffin, it should hide of course that I have scored a point. Then then I want a sound. Yes, let me have this sound because I love it. But yes, you can choose more sounds from here. You have many that let me choose some fact that you can have this, but I prefer only magic because its look, not its look, it sounds the best. So now yes, when I click, so I want the score to be changed by. Let's give it 100 points. 100 points. So our what's a game is oh, game coding is done. So let's see how it works. So see, I got 100 points. Isn't it amazing? So try it now. And if you like it, please do subscribe and like our channel. Hoping for the best. And yes, you can download Scratch from the link given below. Thank you.